Hey, what's happening? I don't know if you can hear me, it's loud. I got the dam behind me, Mike D TV. We're gonna try to get after some catfish, maybe some carp or some gar today. Went out yesterday out to East Tennessee and got skunked. I mean, got nothing, not even a bite. So out here today, at one of my favorite places. This is the dam in Columbia on the Duck River. Historically, I've done very well on catfish, drum, carp. Just right here in this little spillway. Now it's loud. You might be able to hear me, might not. I'll be able to tell until we get to editing. But there's some folks over here on the other side. I crossed a little ways back to get away from the crowd. The water's getting cold, but it's not cold enough to stay out of completely just yet. I mean, if there's fish to be caught, you can deal with some cold weather. Today is going to be a little different. I'm going to be using shrimp mostly today. I've got a couple jigs, and we'll try to get after some smallmouth and maybe some of these gar in here. Right now what I've got in the bucket right here, you see it there, maybe not. It's just a bag of frozen shrimp. I mean, just the regular shrimp you get at your grocery store. I got those at Food Lion. They're medium size, still frozen, so we're going to go ahead and thaw them out and peel them, and we're just going to throw some chunks of shrimp out here below this dam. And hopefully we got a couple catfish we can take home and cook up. So let's see what happens. There we go. Fish on, baby. Oh, in the air. Yeah. What we got? Settle down, settle down. A shad. Tip of the mouth. Oh, sugar hook. Not a bad looking fish. All right, this one. Something's bumping it. Little smallmouth. It's not what we're looking for, but this is a fish. In this case, the bottom of the jaw. In this case, little smallmouth. Not a bad looking little guy. Took a big bait. Let's get a release on him. Now what we're looking for, move it over, closer to the dam itself. Usually that's where the bigger fish hang out. That's also, there's a big chance of getting hung up. But it's probably about 4:30. We got a couple hours left, so I'm gonna go ahead and risk it. So let's head over. Alright, we got moved. Try it again. That's all I'm using for bait right there. They say small, but man, they're a good size. Just like if you're gonna eat them, peel the skin off. If you leave any of that skin on, you don't peel these, that can keep you from setting the hook. Fish on, there we go. Another little bass looks like. What do we got? Little catfish. Alright. We got a little channel cat. Now watch, they never caught a catfish. Watch the fins. They got barbs on each one of them. Come down from the head and just fold them back. If you can't fold them, grab up underneath them like that there. You want to have that one back in the palm, get these two into your fingers. There's a circle hook job right there. Get another one right to either the bottom jaw or the corner is usually where a circle hook ends up. Almost pan size. I'll give him a little bigger though. Oh, he's got just a little bit of blood to that bottom jaw, and that's it. Ah, man. Tell your friends about me. Huge one right there. Not bad.